วัดหดินชิบนายตั้มมลายายบ่าวมิตรรังบะกจะลาวกันรัดเกสังมาลปนนาบักสรการกันดังท่าดอกเอ็นกรีคอมมิชชั่นมันตอกเกตหลอกจิงกันโนบัดกจิงดันกิกัมบัมซับฮับโอคาเมกเลียอินเนจีคอร์ปอเรชั่นลิมิเต็ด MEECL ฮากาฟรัตริกจุลียวลายอจิงเต็บบักกันนี้กับคอมมิชชั่นฮัดดูมันตากดังอับบันยอบเดียงอย่างกจิมท่ากันนี้กับจิงเป็นเต็บบักเอ็นกรีคอมมิชชั่นกับบันเคลียดูนงวิชาปลาช่องไทยกัมปัลลาบันยาชักมันนามาร์กัมปัดยอบเดียงอย่างกจิมท่าและนี่กับ notification กันได้คัดกุมกับจิงเป็นเต็บดัลลาเดียดูมิตรรังบะHakaji can do but kilat thai kubor haka prathrik julio haskatrian.
So that inquiry commission is already, the necessary instructions and orders have been given. So I presume that the orders should have been out or they come out tonight or tomorrow morning for the formation of this commission. So it's been formed. I can't give the name because till the order doesn't come out, it will not be appropriate. But what I'm saying is that the members of this committee have been selected and the order has been given to issue the necessary notification.
And who will be?
It will be a retired judge. As I said, but let the notification come out. It's not proper for me to let's follow the procedure. So I think maybe by this evening or tomorrow morning you should be getting the necessary notification. Already decision has been made. We have. I can only tell you this, that there were panel of names that were given for the judges, panel of names that were given for the technical teams, and panel of names that were given for the administrative member. Our basis of selection was to ensure that this is completely independent. So we have avoided people who had any kind of link with state government or Northeast, in terms of the power department or any other department. And we have avoided people who could have links to MECL or the power department, so that we would have a complete independent opinion. So that's the only thing I can say. But that was the yardstick we followed, because we felt that if we try to bring in people who have, worked in MECL in the past, or people who have worked in other departments, there could be some questioning whether this is truly independent in nature or not. So we tried our best to make it truly independent in nature. The people of the state have been asking about this issue. And we have always maintained as a government that we maintain complete transparency. And we are happy to, give all the details as per the requirement by the people. The numbers and all people and certain sections may try to come out and twist the information and the facts and then try to look at only certain facts. So there has been slight confusion in this subject, whereas the government has been very clear on its stand. But in the interest of ensuring that full transparency is there, so that people and the general public is fully satisfied, we will be constituting a inquiry commission into this issue also.
So is this a judicial inquiry, or you say?
It will be independent inquiry.
It will be a judicial inquiry?
No, independent, headed by a judge. Independent inquiry, just like we have done for the MECL allegations. Because as I said, for us it's very clear, we want to be very, very transparent, and we want to assure the people that there is no such scam or any kind of misappropriation that's taking place. So for the satisfaction, we are ready to set up, and we will be setting up an inquiry into this. We'll start the process within a day or two, and just like the inquiry commission for the MECL, where we have given 3 months to submit the report. Similarly, for this also, we will give them just 2 to 3 months to submit the report, so that these facts and figures come out clearly, so that all the confusion that is there among the public is clarified.